What's up guys, and welcome to RU3D. Today we are going to take a look at the famous Ender 3 V2 from Creality. This isn't going to be a normal review though, since we are going to take a look at the quality of prints that you can get off of this machine, even after thousands of hours of printing. Here's a quick build montage. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
This Ender 3 version 2 was built in December 2020. By the time you're watching this video, it's already April 2022. I finished thousands of prints on this machine. But nevertheless, here is that special moment when we get our first print off of any 3D printer. This machine is so silent, especially compared to the Ender 3 Pro running right next to it. So I did a few test prints, and this is how much I like the machine. The short answer is I got 3 more of them. Why did I get 3 more Ender 3 version 2s after this one? Well, let me show you the quality of prints that I got off of these machines, and you be the judge. So while you guys are enjoying the prints that I got from the machine while testing it, I'm gonna talk about the specs of this machine. The Ender 3 version 2 has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm. It also has a 32-bit silent motherboard and integrated TMC 2208 stepper drivers. It prints 1.75 mm filament. It has a Bowden setup and the maximum hot end temperature is 260 degrees Celsius. The bed can go to 100 degrees Celsius. The Ender 3 version 2 comes with a glass build plate, with the one side being smooth glass and the other side has a carborundum ultra base surface. This printer also has a 40 mm per second stable printing speed. Some unique features of the Ender 3 version 2 is that it includes an authentic meanwhile power supply, as well as a modular HD display, but unfortunately it isn't touchscreen. So with this setup you can print most of the common materials like PLA, ABS and TPU, as well as PETG. I did manage to pull off a few ABS prints, but it wouldn't be possible if I didn't have a wham bam hotbox. Okay, so let's just take a look at the detail I got off of this machine. This machine prints absolutely beautifully. Big or small, I maxed this slug out on the build plate and it took 48 hours to complete. Dimension wise, this printer prints pretty accurately, especially after some tuning. I also didn't have any problems printing articulating models like slugs and like this red-eyed skink. These parts are pretty complicated, but the printer handles it pretty nicely. I use Cura most of the time to slice my files, and this is a vase mode print that I did of my own head. And this print is worth mentioning, ROCKZILLA. The detail on it looks amazing. And the last print that I want to show you guys is my RU3D logo. I like the Ender 3 version 2s a lot, and I think it's an amazing machine, especially if you're going to print PLA parts. I did print a few TPU parts, but I do recommend upgrading the extruder if you're planning to do so as well. For printing PLA like me, I can only recommend one upgrade. Upgrade your bed leveling springs. With the better bed leveling springs, you barely have to level your bed once a month. And that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash like and subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And as always, you are 3D.